Accounting Basics by Satyalakshmi. BRS Bank Reconciliation Statement. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Accounting Basics by Satyalakshmi. Day 86 class. Today we are going to discuss about our 8th sum of BRS. From the following particulars, prepared bank reconciliation statement on 31st March 2014. So we have to prepare the BRS. Overdraft balance as on 31/3/2014 as per bank statement 22,470. This is the passbook overdraft balance. Let us write our rough work. Cash book, passbook contains debit and credit columns. The passbook balance is always in the credit side and the passbook overdraft balance is always in the debit side. 22,470 debit side. Why we are using plus? Why we are using minus? Minus at the top of the total because it is a unequal total, it is a wrong total, so we are using the minus value, minus symbol, right? As per standing instruction given to bank, Chamber of Commerce, fee 2,530 was paid by the bank but was not recorded in the cash book. Instead of, I already said, on behalf of the customer, bank paid some charges on the instruction of the customer through standing instructions. So these standing instructions we have to enter in the debit side of the passbook. 2,530. All the payments of passbook is enter in the debit side. And next, on 23/3/2014, the credit side of the bank column of the cash book was cashed 1,900 short. So credit side it is cash short. So we have to write it in the debit side of the cash book. Okay. Check deposited in the bank but not recorded in the cash book. The check is deposited but not recorded in the cash book. 2,500. Check deposited, it is a liability for the bank, so it will be entered in the credit side of the passbook. In the cash book, a bank charge of 290 was recorded twice while another bank charge of 120 was not recorded at all. Here, bank charges will always in the debit side of the passbook. So, here it is recorded twice. For cancellation of one entry, we have to enter the same entry in the credit side. We has entered twice in the debit side. For the cancellation, we have to enter once in the credit side. And another bank charge 120 was not recorded. So we have to record this 120 in the debit side of the passbook. Dividend on shares 3,200 was collected by the bank directly. The trader has no information. The trader does not has any information about this shares and was collected by the bank. All the collections will recorded in the credit side of the passbook. 3,200. Next, two checks of rupees 1,850 and 1,500 were issued, but out of them only one check of 1,850 was presented for payment up to the reconciliation date. So up to the end of that month, only 1,850 check was collected. Here the check issued but not collected, but not presented for payment, 1,500. We have to enter it in the credit side of the cash book. Check issued but not presented for payment. Only 1,500. 1,800 check is collected. So this is here 1,850 check only collected, and the other 1500 check is not yet collected, right? Let us start our statement. Bank reconciliation statement as on 31/3/2014. This is our statement. Overdraft balance as per bank statement, and the amount is 22,470. Enter in the outer column. Next, add. So here we have to add checks deposited into the bank but not recorded in cash book. D. And the amount is 2,500. And next one. In the cash book, a bank charge of 290 was recorded twice, while another bank charge 120 was not recorded. So this 290 was in the passbook credit side. So we have to enter bank charge recorded twice in the cash book. The amount is 290. And next, dividend on shares 3,200 was collected by bank directly. The trader has no information. All the collections done by the bank is entered in the credit side of the passbook. The passbook credit has plus symbol, so we have to add that. Dividend collected by bank not entered in the cash book. All the collections in the credit side of the passbook 3,200. And next, two checks of 1850 and 1500 were issued, but out of them only one check of 1850 was presented for payment up to the reconciled day. So 1500 check is issued but not collected. Check issued but not presented for payment. The amount is 1,500. So there are no more transactions. So we have to make total 2,500 plus 290 plus 3,200 plus 1,500, and the total is 7,490. And we have to make total 22,470 plus 7,490, and the total is 29,960. Now less. As per the standing order given to Bank Chamber of Commerce, fee 2,530 was paid by the bank but not recorded in the cash book. So the bank paid. So it is in the debit side of the passbook. Here, according to this sum, debit side we are having minus symbol. As per standing instructions, bank paid Chamber of Commerce fee not recorded in the cash book. The amount is 2,530. And next, the credit side of the bank column of cash book was cast 1,900 short. Credit side is cash short, means we have to enter it in the debit side. So here the debit side is minus symbol. Under cost of credit side of cash book, and it is 1,900. And next, in the cash book, a bank charge of 290 was recorded twice. This was we entered in the credit side of passbook. And next, the bank charge was not recorded. So bank charge we have to record in the debit side of the passbook. So debit side we are having minus symbol. So bank charges not recorded in cash book. the amount is 120. So these are the entries. 2530 plus 1900 plus 120, and the total is 4550. So here 29,960 minus 4,550, 25,410. This amount is the overdraft balance as per cash book. So this is our 8th sum of BRS. Thank you. If you like the videos, please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.